The best blenders for protein shakes are going to be the ones that are easy to use, and that comes with the power you need to make the perfect shakes. When you're shopping online, it's not always easy to tell which models are a good deal, and which ones will make you wish you never spent your hard-earned cash. We've done that hard work for you, and created this list of 5 best blenders for protein shakes of 2021. Okay, so let's get started. To get us started, our top pick is the Vitamix E310 Explorian blender. This blender is the Swiss Army knife of the kitchen. It truly does it all. From creating rich and velvety protein shakes with freshly ground nut butters to healthy soups and sauces, the Vitamix is an easy way to make various crave-worthy dishes. The 48-ounce container is made from BPA-free Eastman Tritan copolyester and fits under most cabinets, ideal for those cooking for one or making small family meals. This blender features a variable 10-speed control knob enabling users to craft their ideal texture. The added pulse feature adds quick bursts of power when needed. The Vitamix's stainless steel blades reach high enough speeds that the friction alone can heat a soup in approximately 6 minutes. The 1380-watt unit features a self-cleaning function. With just one pump of soap and 30 seconds, the blender will clean itself. No need to take the unit apart or put it in the dishwasher. This high-performance blender comes with a mini tamper and cookbook, and is available in black, red, and slate. The Vitamix E310 Explorian blender measures 11 by 8 by 18 inches, and weighs 10.5 pounds. Coming up next, we have the Nutribullet Pro 13-piece high-speed blender. Whether you live in a cramped dorm room, a small studio apartment, or want to trim down on bulky appliances, the high-efficiency Nutribullet Pro blender takes up minimal counter and cabinet space, and is a breeze to use and clean. This 900-watt blender delivers a high-power blend with a durable construction. Simply push and twist for a hands-free protein shake in under 60 seconds. It's powerful enough to blend your favorite ingredients including leafy greens and ice into a silky smooth protein shake. This 13-piece personal blender set includes the Nutribullet Pro base, 1 emulsifying extractor blade, 2 high-impact BPA-free 32-ounce cups, 2 flip-top lids, 2 handled lip rings, 2 comfort lip rings, and a hardcover recipe book. This unit measures 12.01 by 7.72 by 15.94 inches, and weighs 4.7 pounds. The Nutribullet Pro is available in various colors, including berry, champagne, clover, cobalt, coral, onyx, rose gold, silver, sky, violet, and white. The Vitamix is so much more than a typical blender. It makes everything from smoothies and juices to piping hot soups, ground nut butters, freshly churned ice cream, and kneaded dough. The Vitamix 5200 blender is a top pick among juice connoisseurs because it can blend and perform whole food juicing. For the thinnest consistency, users can run the juice through a filtration bag or strainer to remove excess pulp. For optimal nutrition, Vitamix recommends leaving the pulp in, as it's full of dietary fiber. The Vitamix 5200 blender features variable speeds that allow for full control of your favorite blended food and beverages' texture and thickness. Additionally, one of the many highlights of this model is the 1-minute self-cleaning function. With just 1 drop of dish soap, the machine will clean itself, no breakdown or dishwasher necessary. This unit measures 8.75 by 7.25 by 20.5 inches, and weighs about 10.5 pounds. The Vitamix 5200 blender comes with a 64-ounce BPA-free Eastman Tritan copolyester pitcher, laser-cut stainless steel blades, a tamper, and an ultra-powerful 1380-watt base. This model comes in black, white, and red. Add a splash of color to your kitchen with a vibrant new Kitchenaid blender. Designed in 23 inventive shades such as aqua, watermelon, and green apple, this classically sleek blender uses IntelliSpeed motor control to sense the added contents and automatically adjust for optimal speed and power throughout the blending process. The Kitchenaid Diamond Vortex 5-speed blender features 5 speeds. These are stir, chop, mix, puree, liquefy, as well as a pulse mode and crush ice feature. The BPA-free 60-ounce diamond pitcher is shatter, scratch, and stain resistant. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The 500-watt die-cast metal base features an electronic control panel that simply wipes clean after use. This unit measures 9 by 8.5 by 16.5 inches and weighs 10 pounds. Make a day's worth of meals with the Ninja Mega Kitchen System. This versatile blender and food processor duo is your go-to appliance for blending, food processing, and nutrient extraction. Use it to make a variety of meals, from smoothies and shakes to dips and doughs. The 1500-watt blender is a master of shakes and frozen drinks, processing ice in just seconds. Choose from single servings to family-sized portions with the included XL pitcher and 16-ounce cups. The Ninja Mega Kitchen system comes complete with a set of dishwasher-safe, BPA-free accessories, including an 8-cup food processor bowl, 72-ounce pitcher, two 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups with lids, and a 30-recipe guide. This unit measures 9.6 by 15.7 by 18.3 inches.